Hello, Ruxandra here and welcome to my new video. Today we are going to talk about the 7 huge mistakes that new YouTubers make. Mistake number 1. They don't edit their videos. This is very important because gives your video another finish and are easier to watch. Instead of filling your content with all your inevitable mistakes that happen to everybody. Nobody is, making a video without mistakes. Even the biggest, movie stars and YouTubers are doing mistakes like you are seeing in some videos, backstage stuff. So edit your videos. It will give you a better finish to your final video. The second mistakes new YouTubers make is they make a too long intro or they put an intro in each and every video. You'd better jump into your content because people are there because they are interested in your subject and they need to see that information as fast as possible just to know if that information makes for them or not. So they might skip your intro and miss some important information that you give it to them, and they would not understand your video and they would not like your video. So the intros takes attention from your video, and it's better to just start with your content and jump into it. The third mistake new YouTubers make is not being organized. Full script for the beginning. This is an advice that I gave you and it worked for me very well. And a full script of whole your video is very good for the beginning because you don't lose your ideas and you will know what to say every single time following that script. There's no shame. Everybody did a full script at the beginning. As you may all see at the beginning, I was not very organized and talk around the subject. This is another skill that comes with time. But I also learned from videos like this, from where I took the information and then I apply it. So I've been learning from other people like you do learn from my videos also. So I give you this advice: make a full script of your video. This will help you a lot to start and not to be afraid because you won't find your words. So I realize when I prepare myself and make a script, it's better. Mistake number 4, asking too often people to subscribe, like and share. This can become annoying to find it in each and every video you make. And you can turn people off by asking too much to subscribe, like and share. Mistake number 5 new YouTubers make. It's not linking another video to the one people are watching. This is very important because that video that you link can be very helpful for them to complete the information you already given to them in your video they are watching. So it's very important, link your video to another video that might be useful for them and might have the information they are searching for. Mistake number 6. They don't tell you to watch the next video on the corner that they just linked. You have to tell people what to do next. They don't know from the beginning how your channel is organized and what you have for them. So you have to tell them what to do next. Mistake number 7 new YouTubers make. They don't make an outro, which is very important because like that you skip mistake number 4, that you don't tell them to subscribe, like and share too often. And you just make a short outro at the end and then it's their choice to subscribe, like and share if they liked it. So make a killer outro and this will help you, skip mistake number 4 also and mistake number 7. Okay, so this was mistake number 7. I have a bonus tip for you guys today. Record in short little video sections of your thought out video. Don't record the whole video at once. I did it and I don't recommend it because you make many mistakes on the way and it's very hard to edit. So shorter videos are easier to edit. So do short videos at the beginning. This will help you build confidence and be more natural on the camera because you don't have to remember the script for the whole video. Yeah, that's a good deal, isn't it? So now you have the 7 mistakes new YouTubers make. If you want to watch another video on how to start with YouTube, you have it in the corner of this video, and there are many other linked in my channel. So watch even those videos. It will help you to get started with YouTube. So let's get started and do your first video.